this video, we will be talking about the FeedbackPanda browser extension. The browser extension can be used to integrate FeedbackPanda with online schools. Here on FeedbackPanda.com, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll have the browser extensions link here. When you go to this page, you will see the schools that are supported with the browser extension, and you'll be able to download the extension for Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Here you'll have the instructions for installing the browser extension on whichever browser that you prefer. Once the extension is installed, you can log into your school and you'll see that the pandas are appearing here. You can now click on that panda, which will bring you into FeedbackPanda, where you can search for your templates and create your feedback.